Now, I'm like, yeah, you can talk all the trash you want to, but I'm not gonna let you just hit me. Hi, Dawnies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you like listening to funny, sad, ridiculous stories, please subscribe. Mom would say it's like a bad sitcom. So today's story, we're going to talk about this shy little girl that eventually won a fight. Anyway, so besides being bullied when I was a young child, I've only been in like 3 fights in my whole entire life. Those that count. Anyhow, the first fight, I was about age 8, and I actually beat up the bully's brother. The bully themselves was a female, but I guess I took out all my aggressions on her brother because he tried me, and yeah, I won that. Even though I was windmilling, I won that one. The second time I was in a fight, this was besides being with my abusive boyfriend. Huh. Maybe that counts as number 2. Anyway, so we're going to say the abusive boyfriend was number 2 since I had my Tina Turner moment. And I got saved from that one. But anyway, I was fighting for dear life because it was worth it, right? Anyhow, so during that time with my abusive boyfriend, I had confided him about one of the girls in the dorm. I don't remember what I said, but evidently there was something I didn't like about her. So like a couple days go by. I'm in my dorm room minding my own self business. And here she comes knocking on the door. Like the dorm I was in, it was only 2 to a room. It was a suite. Paid a little extra for that because y'all know I'm a little spoiled. Anyway, so she comes knocking on the door and she's like, "Did you say such and such and such and such?" I don't remember what I said. But me and thought I had some edge about me. I was like, "Yeah, I said it. What about it?" Next thing I know, she's on top of me. She's kicking my butt. But through that, I learned a little trick and I was like, so that's how you do it. Because y'all know I never really learned how to fight. But let's just say, I'm not a fighter. I don't like to start mess. I don't like to be in mess. I like minding my own self business. Even the scripture says, shut up and tend to your business. Something like that. I'll put it on the screen somewhere around here so y'all know that the scripture even said, shut up and mind your business. So that's what I like to do. But for some reason, people like to put me in their business, and I don't want to be in their business. There I go, digressing again. Anyhow, so like I said, I put that in the back of my mind, like how she beat me up. I was like, got it. So I basically learned from experience since my mother never did give me those boxing lessons. So let's say after that and after me and the boyfriend got kicked out, took a little break, went back to LA. That was during the same time when I tried to audition for the Fly Girls and Bobby Brown. Y'all don't know about that story, check it out somewhere here on the screen. Anyhow, so at this time, I decided, while I was taking this break, I decided to live with my friend's boyfriend's sister. Yeah, that's ghetto, but that's what had happened. And at this time, I didn't really speak up for myself. I kind of was shy, and yeah, we moved in together, and there was just things that she would do that get on my nerves, but I didn't say anything. And one time I tried to come to her about the water bill because I'm like, it's pink now. When you gonna pay your portion of the bill? And she kind of just passed me by. And I think she has some information of mine that you never give to anybody unless it's a business. Don't give your personal information to people. Anyhow, So there was a couple times she came in, she was on my couch doing whatever with her boyfriend. I'm like, can y'all take that upstairs to your room? Plus, that's my couch. But I didn't say anything, but that's what I was thinking. And there was just like a lot of stuff that was building up, building up, building up. And so one day, and she was one of them loud kind of ghetto LA girls, just yapping off with anybody who yaps off with the mouth. Y'all know they more, what do you call it? More bark than they bite. Anyhow, um, so one day I don't know what she was mad about, but her sister and her boyfriend went over. I was on the top of the stairs, and she tried to test me. Now I'm like, yeah, you can talk all the trash you want to, but I'm not gonna let you just hit me. So, like I said, I had filed back in the back of my mind what the other girl did, and that's what I used on this chick, the friend's boyfriend's sister. And let me just say, for some reason, I must have had so much built up aggression inside me that it took her, not only her sister, but her boyfriend to pull me off of her. Because I just blacked out. I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done with you. I'm done with your mouth. You're getting on my nerves. And I'm surprised the brother and sister didn't beat me up. And then some point I was downstairs and she's still talking, old girl's still talking noise, and the sister's like, she's done. She's done fighting. Well, she's just done. So that's the little tidbit that I'm not a fighter. I don't like starting drama, but I will defend myself. So if you come in my personal space, which I feel threatened, plus with my background of being abused, dealing with my mom, dealing with people always testing me, dealing with bullies, I still have built up aggression even at this age. So please do not test me. When I say leave me alone, even though I may sound nonchalant, I'm trying to warn you, do not test me because I black out. And then y'all want to say I'm crazy. I said leave me alone, so just leave me alone. Anyway, Dawnie, share with me in the comments section any kind of self-defense that you had to do, or you were shy, or you didn't know your abilities, or anything like that. And then you found out that you got hands too. Anyway, Dawnies, remember to toast to life because it always makes for a great story. Please check out all my other content on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you next week. Bye.